we see something interesting. So for me, today I will talk about interesting things I see in the sky. So for the first point, interesting things I see in the sky is birds. The reason is there is not all animals can fly. So I think seeing animals that can fly like birds is something that interesting to see and admire them. Secondly, the interesting things that I see in the sky is aeroplane. As we know, aeroplane can bring people from point to another point very fast. So whenever I see an aeroplane, I would like to look at them and find a way on how it works. So that I can put some knowledge in me. Lastly, sunset. I think sunset is the most beautiful things that all the people here like to see. We all sunset is not all. I think it's not all day we can see a beautiful sunset. So whenever we see a beautiful sunset, we like to take a picture and upload it to social media. So for the conclusion, we should be grateful to able to see the sky, because some other people would not have the ability to see the sky. That's all.